Good morning, grade ones. I hope you are all doing good. How's everyone? Great, I'm also good. So, are you guys ready for today's lesson? I am so ready for today's lesson. I hope everyone is ready. So, before I start the lesson, who can tell me what colors am I wearing today? What colors am I wearing today? Yes, you there? That's right. And you there? That's correct. Yes, I'm wearing a black t-shirt or a black top and a blue skirt. A black t-shirt and a blue skirt. Correct. So, okay, children. So, tell me what beginning sound do you hear in the word blue and the word black? What is the beginning sound do you hear in those words? Yes, there. That's correct. It's a b sound. A what? Yes, a b sound. And after the b in blue, what is the next sound do you hear after the b sound? Blue. What sound do you hear? Yes, that's correct. It's l, l. After the b, it's o sound. So now we are going to combine the two sounds to make another new sound. So when we combine these two sounds, the b sound and the sound, we get b sound, right? A what? A b sound. Correct. So what um what names or anything you know that start with the sound? Yes, there. That's correct. Black, as you said. And another one, yes, flow. That's right. So yes, moving forward, I'm going to tell you a story. So before I tell you a story, I need to tell you my new name today. I'm not Miss Ndlovu anymore. I have a new name. So today my new name is Miss Bliff. I miss who? I miss Bliff. That's correct. So I'm going to tell you a story about a lady called Bliff. So the name of the story is Bliff likes blocks, right? Bliff likes blocks. So before I start telling you the story, listen attentively and memorize all the sound you hear in the story, because after the story I will ask you which words you heard in the story that started with sound. Okay, so the story goes like this. It's Bliff likes blocks. She likes blue blocks. She also likes black blocks. She plays with her friends Blaine and the other ones. They will build the blocks together. They will what? They will build the blocks together. I'll repeat the story to you guys. So the story goes, Bliff likes blocks. She likes blue blocks. She also likes black blocks. She plays with her friend Blaine. They will build the blocks together. After building the blue and the black blocks, they will glue them down. Okay? So I hope you guys heard the sound in the story. So who can tell me which sound did he or she heard on the story that starts with what sound? Yes, blocks. That's correct. So we are talking about will sound. It's blocks. It's blocks. And the other sound and the other word you hear that starts with bl. What's the name? The word? Yes, black. That's correct. Black. And the other word? Blue. That's right. The blue of the color, or which blue?
Oh yes, the blue one. It's blue of the color. And blue. To blue is to just throw away, or the wind blew something away. Blue. Yes. So, which other word did you hear? Yes? Blame. That's correct. The friend was blame. Blame. And the other one? Yes. That's all the words. Thank you, China.